I am live. Oh my God, it take a long while before this live. Come on. So, first I must give a shout out to all my subscribers and family and friends and viewers. So this is Troy, better known as Lagabenz, and it's been a while I haven't talked to my subscribers, my fans, and all these people, you know. Yeah, so a shout out to the subscribers who leave comments and ask questions. I answer many questions. Some questions I don't get to answer. Sometimes I get a bit busy, you know. But what I want to try to do is create a live on a regular basis, where people can ask me questions in real time. I don't know everything, but I know a lot of things, you know. So if you ask me something I don't know, well, you have other people who know where I can get information from and give back to. So, but I don't know if this is a good time I'm doing this live, because when you go live, you need to go live when most of your subscribers are online, where you can get to interact with them. And my channel, Best Jamaican Product and More, is kind of a mixed channel, because in the beginning I didn't know what would work for me. So if you notice on my channel, I have cooking and I have construction. Those are the two main things the channel is about. But people who are interested in cooking, they don't want to hear anything about construction. So I kind of have a conflict there. There's not much I can do about that. But I appreciate the people who understand and support the channel as it go by same still. So I don't know what is the best time to interact with my subscribers, and so when they ask question, I could answer question in real time and thing. But as we progress and go along, I will figure it out and can get to interact with my subscribers and viewers and followers and family and friends, and answer some question in a real time. So I haven't go live for a while, so I'm just trying to interact. Some of my subscribers don't have an idea who am I, where I'm from. So I gotta give a look about myself. So my name is Troy Rhoden, better known as Lagabenz. I'm from Jamaica. I go to United States, Canada. I associate with those countries as well. If you internet me, you see a couple things for me. I have a Facebook page. I have an Instagram page. I'm on Rhoden. I am on Pinterest, Twitter, all the major social networks. So I go by the name Lagabenz. And you can check out my hashtag, you know, hashtag Lagabenz, hashtag Troy Rhoden. So I get a lot of questions from my subscribers. Some of them answer in a comment. Some of the questions, sometimes you have to get information from other construction and other workmen. I don't know everything. I know a lot, but I couldn't know everything. I would be a superman if I know everything. But I decided today that I would like to engage more with my followers. So many people is not online now, but I think the video will there, and it's just a understand. The whole YouTube platform is about timing and understanding, and the understanding I don't have with my subscriber is when you have this, you have some data that give and show when most people is online. But sometimes I try to go live and I haven't get much people on the live. But my channel intends to have a big number in terms of subscriber, but there is some more understanding to that number, because most of the bigger number is not who interested in construction. Because the video that give me that whole heap of view, when they check the data, these views were coming from India. So most of the subscriber number, they are not English speaking people. They're from India. About 20,000 of my subscribers from India. I don't know how YouTube worked that, but those were the one who give a shout out to India, because they were the one who make the channel get 20,000 subscribers from one video and about 5 million views. So that is how the channel really get for go. So people might see the channel as a bit. So the real thing is about 13,000 subscribers who really interested in my content, because that video was a video with a kid and a little battery bike, and they did love it to get a lot of view. So my channel intends like a big channel, but most of my subscribers, they are not English speaking people. So I have no control over that. That's how it is. So I just decide to just say what I can say. And then I try to do a next thing, because after I realize I have cooking videos and recipes on this channel, and I have construction videos. So what I do, I did create a next channel named Chef Rhoden Cooking. It's a new channel, so when the channel new, it's gonna take a long time, or we don't know if it take a long time for everybody, but it takes some time before that channel get recognized and whatever. I have videos on it and thing. So my channel is a bit peace and bless up here, peace and bless up. Enough respect for the text and comment. So that's a problem with my channel. My channel is like a mixed channel with different subscribers. So you have people interested in recipes. So I must give a shout out to those people. Big up. So Jamaican say big up. It's the same thing like shout out, you know. And you have people now interested in construction. When they get more interaction with the construction and many questions, and you know, but it takes some time, because with my channel I don't have anybody who I collab with, like a bigger YouTuber who understand and can say, all right, Troy, you need to do this or what. I have to learn as I go, you know. So it's a lot of learning for me. I learn a lot, but there's a long way to go. And some of my subscribers, sometimes they be drop me a text and thing and give me some insight what can I do as well too. But this YouTube thing is a good thing, but you watch a lot of video, but sometimes you still don't get the information you want. You know, human to human interact. If you're on somebody like on the phone or on a live chat and them say how you can do this, you get more understanding. But on YouTube, there's not much people don't share the information. You have to figure it out yourself. So what I'm not simply saying, you guys subscribe and think to see with me, you know, because I don't have anybody who teach me this. I don't have anybody who I collab with. When you try to collab with the bigger channels, they're not much interested. They're not interested, you know. So that's how it goes for me. Other people might get the collab. I never collab and get it with no one. So just leave your comment. You see me, I might cannot read them now because, you know, I'm the one in the stream and everything. But I will read those comments and reply to them, you know. And it's always a pleasure. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe. So what I try to do, I try to send a new video every Friday. If I miss it Friday, I send it Saturday. But a lot of things change in the world, so sometimes things kind of mess up and you don't get to do the thing on timing. But I have a lot of videos to put out, but the timing and I hope you guys understand. So I just decided to do this live today to interact with my subscriber, because without the subscriber you have no channel. So I might don't get a lot of view, but I appreciate the people who support and watch and share and leave comment on my channel. I highly appreciate that. So things will get better. I have a lot of construction video to come. I have a lot of recipe, but I don't know if I should still put recipe on this channel, because for the longest while I don't send any recipe. Because what I can see when I send recipe, people who subscribe about construction, they unsubscribe because they're not hear about cooking. And when I send construction video, people who subscribe about recipe, they unsubscribe. So that's a problem I have with my channel, and I don't know what best to do with that. If someone can advise me, I can listen and think about it, but that's it. And that's how my channel go. So just giving a shout out. I say big up Jamaican, say big up. I'm a Jamaican. I always remember that I'm a Jamaican. So that's why I know nothing about Jamaican building code and construction. Well, I travel America as well. I do construction work in America, so I know something about the American thing. But the American thing have a wide number of people who give that information. So people mainly ask me about things on the island. And I go to and from America to Jamaica. So I'm always updated with Jamaica. I'm always updated here. But my channel mainly get more Jamaican support in terms of information and thing. And I highly appreciate that. You know, because if it's 5 viewers you get, you just have to appreciate it. It will be 10 one day, and the 10 will go 20, and it multiply, but it take time. So do remember to subscribe, leave a like, press the notification bell to see more video like this. I'm the same one that say, if you think this video isn't interested, please leave a like, leave a comment. So I'm the one who said those things. I'm the one who talk over most of the do the talk over on the videos. And sometimes I have a thing we say, we're men's, and people would say, hey, the word is men, not no S on it, because man is one and men is covered for more than one. But sometimes when you're doing these talk over, the honest truth, you not pay attention to the words. So some I think might be not sound smooth and professional like some people think, but I try my best, you know. I'm getting better and better every day. Give God thanks for that, you know. So I get a lot of correction from subscribers, and you know, and sometimes my words are not clear. It's not what I'm doing, it's not easy. I'm the one who video the work and the job. I'm the one who try to do the talking. I'm the one who try to find. It's a me alone for now. So it's not perfect, but I give thanks for the understanding and who try to make things better. So leave the comments and tell me when it will be the best time I can go live. You know, and people request video at times. You know, sometimes it takes some time to click. I think one subscriber say if I can do a video, if they want to add, like they have a board structure, like a board house, and they want to add a concrete structure to it, or you do something like that. And it go on and on and on. Right at the one that we have a next device where I could look on to see some of the comments. But I'm working on that, so the next time I go live, I can look back on some of the comments and even answer some of them on the live. So I think that's all I have to say for now. So I will try to do a live on a regular basis, and I'm looking forward for the support, and I will try to give as much information and answer as much questions as I can. So until then, see you in my next video. Okay, so this Friday I will be sending a new video, and this new video is about roofing. Yeah, so it's a metal shingle roofing. I do one previous one before, I have a next one. So I just send them as though I have them. Thank you for watching the live. Do remember, my name is Troy Rhoden, better known as Lagabenz. And I must say, give a shout out to Andy Valentine. Andy Valentine is an artist, an international Jamaican artist, a good friend of mine. He's like a brother. So he's always promoting my things. So I guess I will give him back some strength by promoting his thing. So you can check out Andy Valentine. Art. Great artist. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.